Last time on Sailing Doodles, Laura got a mud bath and actually got certified for free diving with Patty. In this episode, we have a fantastic time at the amazing Cloud 9. Feel free to visit sailingdoodles.com for some extra content. It was our last week in Fiji, and we were making the best of it. We can't thank our patrons enough for making this possible.
Bobby's gonna get white girl wasted today.
I am not. She probably will. We are going to, it's called Cloud 9. It's this floating boat, barge thing that's out on the reef. It's supposed to be pretty cool. Should be.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
You can take your own boat to Cloud 9, but as it was about a 4-hour trip for us, we decided to take the ferry, which took about 30 minutes. Alright, we made it to Cloud 9.
Lisa, you ready?
Ready. I'm excited.
I'm ready.
I just want to swim.
Cannonballs.
I wish I could jump in and jump off, but I've still got my pirate eye going on. So.
We'll do cannonballs for you.
Yeah, thanks. At least I can see, that's a good thing. Cloud 9 is pretty much a club out on the open water, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. There's plenty of lounge areas with a live DJ, and of course a full bar. There's even a wood fire pizza kitchen. Here's the Cloud 9! The best view of the place, though, is giving Laura her own selfie cam. Jumping off seems to be contagious. Under the barge, there was an amazing amount of sea life and excellent snorkeling. The whole structure was attached to the sea floor with heavy concrete and large chain. It really is its own club-type atmosphere. And then for some reason, the bartender decided to let the girls make their own drinks.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
And that's about all I can show you without getting a content strike on YouTube. So if you ever make it to Fiji, do yourself a favor and check out Cloud9.